Now, welcome in the next slide of solving questions based upon conditional probability. So now in question number 5, we have a bag A contains 8 white and 7 black balls, while the bag B contains 5 white and 4 black balls. One ball is drawn from the bag. One ball is drawn from the bag A and mixed up with the balls in bag B. Then a ball is randomly drawn out from it. Then find the probability that ball drawn is white. So now students, here situation is what? That there are two bags, bag A and bag B. In bag A, total 8 number of white balls are there and 7 number of black balls are there. In bag B, 5 white and 4 black balls are there. Now, one ball is being picked up randomly from the bag A and is being transferred into the bag B. Then here situation is what? That after that, one ball is being drawn randomly from the bag B. Then we have to calculate the probability of getting a white ball. Okay. So now, if one ball will be picked up randomly from the bag A, then total number of balls left in the bag A, that will be equal to 14. Now, as soon as one ball will come into the bag B, then total number of balls will be 5 plus 4 plus 1, and that is equal to 10. Now, let us assume that E1 is equal to event of transferring a white ball from A into B. Then probability of E1, this will obviously be equal to 8 by 15. E2 is equal to event of transferring a black ball from A into B. Then probability of E2, and that is equal to 7 by 15, because total 7 black balls are there in the bag A. Then event E is representing here the picking up a white ball from B. Okay. Then probability of occurrence of E when E1 has already occurred. Okay. It means what? That probability of selection of a white ball, okay, when a white ball was shifted from the bag A to the bag B, and that will be equal to 6 divided by 10. Why? Because initially there was 5 white ball in the bag B, and as soon as one white ball will be received here, then total white balls will become what? 6. So it will become 6 divided by 10. Total number of balls will become 10, and this is equal to 3 divided by 5. Again, probability of picking up of white ball from the bag B when a black ball is transferred from the bag A to the bag B, and that is equal to 5 by 10. It is so because that here we are selecting a white ball. Okay, when one black ball is shifted from the bag A to the bag B, then obviously our number of white balls will remain same in the bag B, so that we can write 5 divided by total number of balls. Now it will become 10 in number, so that is equal to 1 by 2. Then probability of E means probability of selection of a white ball from the bag B. Okay, so how it will take place? Now here there are two situations. We are selecting here a white ball, okay, from the bag B under two conditions. In one condition, when a white ball is being shifted from the bag A to the bag B, and another condition is what? That a black ball is being shifted from the bag A to the bag B. So obviously at this place we can apply here total probability theorem. Total probability theorem. So under which we can write here probability of E is equal to probability of E1 into probability of E slash E1 plus probability of E2 into probability of E slash E2. Then this is equal to 8 by 15. Probability of E1 is 8 by 15. This thing. Okay. Into probability of E slash E1. So this 3 by 5 we can write at this place, or even 6 by 10 we can write at this place. Plus then we can write probability of E2. So this is 7 by 15. This is our probability of E2 into probability of E slash E2. So this is our 1 by 2, or even 5 by 10 we can write here. And after simplification we are getting here the result 83 by 150. Thank you.